Welcome to the world of making money online. In this short video, we'll provide you with valuable insights and practical tips on how to kickstart your online earning journey. So let's dive right in. Making money online offers tremendous opportunities for financial freedom and flexibility. With the power of the internet, you can earn income from the comfort of your own home and even create passive streams of revenue. Isn't that exciting? There are various methods to make money online, and we'll explore a few popular ones. From freelancing, where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide, to affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn commissions, the options are endless. E-commerce is another fantastic avenue to consider. With dropshipping, you can sell products without worrying about inventory or shipping. We'll guide you on setting up your online store and leveraging e-commerce platforms to maximize your sales. If you have expertise or a creative talent, why not create and sell digital products? This could include ebooks, online courses, or even digital artwork. We'll share tips on creating valuable digital products that resonate with your target audience. Content creation is a thriving industry, and you can monetize your content through various channels. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, blogging, or podcasting, we'll discuss strategies to attract an audience and generate income from your content. In addition to starting your own ventures, you can also find online work opportunities. Virtual assisting, online tutoring, or becoming a freelance writer are just a few examples. We'll explore platforms where you can find such opportunities and build your online career. Remember, the key to success in making money online is taking action and maintaining a positive mindset. It may require dedication, learning, and adapting to new strategies along the way. Stay motivated, be persistent, and believe in your potential to achieve financial success. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards making money online. We hope this short video has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to explore the endless possibilities of online earning. Now, it's time to take action and turn your dreams into reality. Best of luck on your online income journey. If you found the information valuable and want to stay updated with more exciting content on making money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll embark on this journey towards financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.